Hey guys, Matt Edwards here with United RV, and today I'm going to show you one of our clearance units, which is a 22 250 hideout bunkhouse. Super cool trailer. It's inside our showroom floor, so you can come in today out of the wind and the cold and take a look at it. This is a really nice little trailer, weighs 6,200 pounds, has massive storage through here, which is really nice because it's all finished out. Nice and neat. We've got electric stabilizers down here to help stabilize your trailer. Got a big awning, light out front. You've got your fresh water tank right up here. You've got an extra plug out here with a cable TV hookup if you want to put a TV outside. It's got speakers. Has a small outdoor kitchen because you know you always want to cook bacon outside. You don't want to cook it inside. And you've got a refrigerator out here that helps the kids from running inside and out, getting drinks and soda pops. Has the MORryde step system right over here. It's a solid step system that's easy to put up, easy to put down, and you're a tandem axle trailer. Toward the back over here, it is pre-wired for a camera if you want to add a camera to it. We carry the 5-inch and the 7-inch available. You've got an outside shower right over here. On this side, as you walk over here, it does have a slide. It's 30 amp service. This trailer weighs about 6,200 pounds, so again, half-ton truck, Suburban, Tahoe will be able to pull this. Your business side is right over here with your gray and your black water tanks, and it also has the electronic stabilizers down over here. Now, at United RV, we do give you a 2-hour walkthrough to teach you everything you ever want to know about this trailer. Plus, you have an 800 number you can call, and you also have our numbers you can call if you do run into a problem. It's a 30 amp trailer. Comes with 2 propane bottles. It's got electric tongue jack. You know, for a trailer like this size and this price range, it's got a lot of good options with it. Beautiful trailer. Let's go take a look on the inside. When you walk in, this trailer has a lot of room. You've got a lot of counter space up here for preps. You got a place up here you can put an LCD TV. You've got your 3-burner output, microwave, and of course the oven. And this trailer comes with a built-in central vac. Super easy to clean, keep this trailer clean. Your cabinets up here have lights, which is so cool. I really like that. And again, you'll notice there's no staples through here. This is all screwed and glued in. Got a big cabinet over here that goes all the way across over there. The lights are really cool. My wife likes that because she can see what's up in there. And again, you've got a lot of counter space and you've got double sinks. If you see over here, you've got your dinette, which you can set 4 people in here. Now these are actually the drawers that slide underneath there, but they're still usable. So that way, everybody can have a seat around the table and enjoy mom's cooking. You've got a large 12-volt refrigerator over here that has a freezer and a big area right through here. Now the bunks over here in the corner over here will hold 300 pounds each. So that way they can hold your, 2 kids, 1 kid, whatever you need to do. And it's all wood underneath here with a built-in ladder. Now you lift this up and you've got storage again down here. Lots of storage to put stuff in. And it has a privacy curtain that does pull around. Each of them have plugs in there so that way they can plug in their tablets, their cell phones, whatever it is they need to plug in. And you've got a huge bathroom over here with a big shower. Lots of counter space in there again. You can close the doors, plenty of room in there to change in. We've got another big cabinet over here that you can either put clothes in. It's got a clothes hanger up there, or you can put shelves in there to put more cargo. The USB port plug-ins are something that's really cool they always have in here. Now, I showed you the TV that goes up here. They've also included a sound bar over here so that way you get a better sound quality. And look at this out. Look how easy that is. Pulls right out. Again, you can put more food in here. You know, this trailer over here could sleep 10 people if you're crazy enough. Now, back here in the bedroom, you've got a walk-around bed that you can go around. You've got storage above. You've got storage in here for clothes. And you've got a laundry chute or storage down in here too. Put your laundry basket down there. Has a door for privacy. Your 2 windows are over here for your vents. And you can mount an LCD TV over here. There you have it, the 22 Hideout 250 bunkhouse. We don't have a lot of 22s out here. We've got them reduced price to blow out. They won't last long. This one right here was inside during the hailstorm, so it has no hail on it, but we still have reduced prices. And remember, with all purchases from United RV, you become a member of the Route 66 family, which has dealers all across the United States and Canada. Please come by and see us. Hit subscribe as we add more content to our video, and y'all have a blessed day.